18 joining in full force, as you guys can see. Yes, all of them are ready for JBL and SB19's performance. So many people attending, they keep coming, you know, and that place looks a bit cloudy to me. You see, the place looks a bit cloudy. Oh, look at that stage. That stage is huge. What? Yeah, everyone is attending, ready to enjoy. Everyone is there. Most of them are there for SB19, so
to make Christmas even merrier for you and your favorite people. Check out the amazing
the decoration of the stage looks so freaking good. Wow.
JBL party box, true wireless earbuds, portable speakers, and
one side it's cloudy and one side it looks so hot and warm, you know.
Headphones. Because today JBL is giving up 40%.
Yeah, a few performances already started and people there, audiences, they are enjoying. I think SB19 will perform later. They're the main character, main attraction, the main event, so they will perform later.